Welcome back guys to the channel. It is Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle and I'm back with another banger. This a banger. Anyway, my people, remember if you subscribe, like, share the video, comment on the video so we can build this bill and go on a journey. Anyway, my people, make we get down to business. This is a banger. Drizzy Burke. Why Drizzy Burke? The truth. Why didn't say the truth hurt? But I hope when time I finish talk, you know, send me a message say, me no fit talk about you. Like when you talk about the trucker. Cause you say trucker no fit talk about you or trucker no fit say nothing about you. But Drizzy Burke, why me I tell you? Years now you do this. Years now you do this. And like I yesterday, you do it from Border Cat days. And Drizzy Burke. I don't even know what name for really call you still, because I don't want to call you out of your name. But Drizzy Burke, you're wicked. Yeah man, Drizzy Burke, you're wicked. The truth, what you make. I know the truth that man. If you realize the truth was all about disrespecting the woman them, where you used to have on the team. Yeah, you and Danny disrespect the woman them, carry down the woman them, talk about the woman them, dirty laundry on national TV. Nobody knows say Bambi man beat her up. But Danny have to talk that. She come to Uno. She never put it on social media. You know. She come to Uno and talk to Uno about it and Uno put her up. And because something go wrong, Uno put out her dirty laundry out there like that and calling herself man. Now, Danny, we know how you operate when it come on to woman. But I don't really come here for you, Danny. I go put you in now and then. Come here seriously for Drizzy Burke. Drizzy Burke, you don't like the woman that come on your team. I think you have a problem with woman too. Because all of the woman them, you say all of the woman they always cause the problem with the money. What you trying to say? Border Cat a woman too? No, Border Cat is not a woman. Border Cat is a respectable, decent man where I do him thing. So, him have a problem with you and money. Then the woman them have a problem with you and money. Because you not pay them. And Drizzy Burke, the team have a problem with you and money too. Remember me tell you that. The team have a problem with you and money too. You hear Danny say, Lego the bird. Why Danny say Lego the bird? Danny say Lego the bird because Danny want more money. In talk it, you know. Who, guys, my viewers and subscribers, if you don't know what Lego the bird mean in a Jamaican word, it mean give me more money. That is what it mean. Give me more money. Give me more money. Or me want more money. Yes, Mr. Drizzy. So, you know pay the woman them. Alright? So let's say for instance, you not pay Gravy because you say you never talk to Gravy 100 times. Lie. Lie you a tell. When you know go on excursion and adventure, who for carry Gravy now? No, hold on. Answer this a question here. Who for carry Gravy driving now? No for you. Remember, you know, every time you watch the video them, you see the woman them in a fake car. You see Danny, Johnny, and Six in a bingy car. So where the woman then driving, and the woman then have car drive. Lie you a tell about you barely talk to her. Lie you a tell. Me fix my glass, cause you think me done yet? Lie you a tell. Yeah man. I know you are going to come and talk off your mouth and go on like you tell me how to run my channel and when me not fi talk about and when me fi talk about, but let we talk about that a little bit more. When Gravy a company channel, she come there for 3 years. And you go tell me, say, for 3 years, you couldn't say to her, say, stop come. You could have said to her, say, stop coming. But for 3 years, you're not even give the girl $1. And guess what? For 3 years, you make money. Now, me could go down to the nitty-gritty little bit. Me go for my book. So you have 2 channels. 2 channels you have. One of the channel have 125 subscribers. One of the channel have 283,000 subscribers. Add all of those together, you have 408 subscribers. How much video you make a week? If you look on your video them and notice your video them all have 90, 100, 200,000, 400,000 views. If you do 4 videos a week, how much video that? That's 16 video a month. Check up 16 video a month. How much views you have on them? You are make the money. You can give the girl a money. A 5, a 10, a 20, even 30,000 you can give the girl. Now, Drizzy Burke, we go talk about the channel them where you have. So you have 2 channels, see? And on the 2 channel, if you watch the channel good, you have 1 channel where the walking TV do, and you have Drizzy Burke, where the Drizzy Burke channel is a different channel and have different things on it. If everybody look on the Drizzy Burke channel, it's a different type of channel. You know, give the man them no money off of that channel there. You know, give them no money off of that channel there. And question about it. I wonder if you give Bigger 5 or goat. A goatee? Something of a sort. I wonder if you give them any money off of it. I don't think so. But just think about it. Them 2 channels there. Think about the money where you are make. Think about each video, each month, where you pay one of them for. The next month come, you still make money for this month. You still make money for this month. And you now pay them the money for this month. Because them already get paid for this month. So you continuously make money off of the video where you pay them for 1 month. So you yourself continue and make money. Drizzy Burke, you don't know who you are talking to. You think me easy? Yes. So Drizzy Burke, you continue and make money. Because remember, you know, the views them continue going on. So if each month, let's say each month you pay somebody 10,000. Each month, the views then get more. So you make more money. So you continue to pay the same 10,000 a month. You think, hey, wicked, you're wicked. Mean, you mean. And love money. Yeah, man, a wicked, you're wicked. But at that you do. And a rob the man them. You a thief the man them money. Me come hard, you know. Me a come hard. You know, pay them where them forget. And again, let's talk about this. Bingy have a channel. Yes, Bingy have a channel. You know me notice? You never yet promote Bingy channel pan for your 2 channel. You never do that, you know? You never yet do that. Mr. Decent, Mr. Respectfully, Color TV always talk about going over upon the other rest of man in channel. You not do that. Me should name a call Color Smith name with you because you not like him. Yeah, you know, like that brother there. But we're not getting to that yet. So that's the thing. You're not even a help Bingy. Also, me go tell you what me find out and when me realize and notice long time. The other day me I watch a video, the St. Thomas video, and me realize say Bingy a drive from Portland to St. Thomas and him a video. But when me continue to watch, because I want to say the river thing, when me look upon the video, me realize the next part of the video when me see Bingy a show. And when them a left the river, I go back to Portland. Now, my question to you, Bingy, is Drizzy stop you from flim, man? Drizzy, you think me ready for you yet? Me not ready for you yet, you know? Me a warm up. Yeah, man. Drizzy, you stop Bingy from flim. So that's why Bingy couldn't flim down at the river. And then when you look on for walking TV, the river, they on walking TV. So that means the only person can flim like that is you. Bingy can't flim. Okay, me could go back to whole heap of the video them. Me notice, say Bingy videos going to an event, yeah. But when he reach the event, he can't flim because guess what? You tell him saying can't flim. Yeah, and you alone supposed to flim that the part there. Him can't flim. That's why in video them now still like fear. Now, let me say this to you. Drizzy Burke, if Bingy and you are flim, remember Bingy are go a flim from a different angle. You are go a flim from a different angle. So it would be, you can take Bingy clip, put in a fear. You never look upon it that way there. No, you not go look upon it that way there. You know why? Because if that happen, Bingy go make money. And if Bingy make money, Bingy not gonna need you. Hey, Drizzy Burke, you're wicked. You know, in a Jamaica, they say your son ever, yeah, you're wicked. He's a wicked youth. And that you do to Bingy. That's why Bingy cannot show any and anything. The only time Bingy can do it is when Bingy dep on film channel and a film people them. And if you notice, when him do that, you no go. You don't know, say me I watch long time. Me I watch long time and me see all of them something. Yeah, man, me see all of them something. Here what happen again to now. If you sit down and watch everything we are going on, you is just the video man and the editor. Like the other day, a guy's comment on one video and him say, you, Drizzy, is the one who make 6 bars because of your editing. Now, when me look on that, me really realize that most of us, doesn't matter what happen, we will continue love the foolishness. Bad cat make you. And me go say this to you, really good. Bingy make you. Yeah, remember. Hey, Drizzy Burke, remember say, is a youth go tell Bingy, say you lose Bada Cat and you need a man. You need somebody. And remember say, the brother, the youth, nah call no name. Remember say the youth are the one where make a video. Bingy General. And care can give you. And when you watch the video of Bingy, remember you find Bingy yard. Remember that. You're wicked. So Listen me, Drizzy. Without Bingy, as a matter of fact, without the team, you don't have nobody. Because likewise to Color Smith, you know Color Smith alone can have a nice team. Because Color Smith cook, he climb into everything. What you do? Editing and video, nothing you not do. I doubt if you can do nothing. I don't think you can cook. Yeah. Me come here hot, you know. Yes, there's a lot of things you are doing under the quiet. And you come out and blame and disgrace the woman them. When the woman they need money. All of the women they have kids. Them leaving and go have kids and for your business that. You have to remember say your own woman where you have a go foreign, you know. You remember say Red Chips a go foreign and when Red Chips here, the next day, when she a go take a plane, you come with roses. You, Drizzy Burke, you come with roses a gear. You know what she say? What she do with the roses? You can't carry roses go up on plane. And you remember what she said? She said she knew say you want her to gone. To do what you want to do or do what you can do. Because he's not a person really into woman. You know what, Drizzy? My name, you say, Gravy say about your little girl. My name, I go touch that in this video, yeah. My name, I go touch that in this video, yeah. Because that go be a hot topic. As a matter of fact, and now I go touch that because guess what happened? It's a little girl, innocent little girl. You fi do better, brother. Pay up the man them money. You make a whole heap of money. Drizzy, me go say something to you. You're mama's boy. Yeah, man, you're mama's boy. You know, make you a hack, so, and I talk about how you go just listen what you say, in the truth. You just give up YouTube and run with Ghana foreign, Ghana, Canada. Fly out. So tell me something. The rest of man can't fly out. Me know Danny can't fly out. Biggie can't fly out again. Johnny May can't fly go someplace, but he may can't fly out kind of love which part you used to live. But the way you look upon life the wrong way, my brother. Yeah, you look upon life the wrong way. You are talk about the trucker, how the trucker not fi call your name. Listen how you talk upon the truth. You as a businessman, you as a businessman, there's an issue. And when you come upon the truth, instead of you really explain yourself, you don't explain yourself, you attack all of the woman them. You disrespect all of the woman them. You talk about how them maga, them nah eat, how much man and a half man they want. That's not for your business. I feed them business that. That's not your business. You worry about the wrong thing, brother. You go talk about the wrong thing upon the truth. The real thing you know to talk about is where the lady say she never get no pay. And the worker them nah get no pay. And I no lie, them nah get no pay. A monkey money them a get. Monkey money them a get. Yeah man, monkey money them a get. Hold on. J Progress say over 700,000. Yeah, walk away with. Me not reach that far. But let's say you walk away with 700,000. You can give the man their money. That's you can have because the money a cycle. It's a cycle. And you continuously make money, but no, you don't want to do that. You don't want to do that because them not fi live, them not fi eat. And you want to neck hold them. Because if you not give them enough money, then them cannot leave you. Yeah man, if you not give them all the money, then can't leave you. Drizzy Burke, you think me done? Me not done. Yeah man, me not done. Look, Panwagwan. You want me to talk that one now? Me go start this one now. 6 bars. Me see you in your car. I talk about you go buy your make house for 6 bars. That boy, me did excited. Yeah, me did excited. You say you go make house for 6 bars. Let me tell you this. It's a shame when 6 bars is the star of Walking TV family. I know you know. I know you are the boss. 6 bars are the boss. You think people hardly come. People don't really come to see you. Yeah, Drizzy Burke, yeah, they come. Yeah, a long time I want to see Drizzy. Yeah, a long time. Yeah. But when they come, who they really want to see? The king. The one and only. 6 bars. No, what you say? No PUSSY test, yeah? And you treat him like shit. I go for my book. Hold on. All right. You're going to build a house for the star. And this is how you spend. Yard of sand. $7,000. Hold on. A yard of sand. What yard of sand can do? You build a house or a room. What yard of sand can do? $100 black. Drizzy Burke, how much 100 black? If you have a receipt, you can come with them, you know. 100 black. $1,500. Them number them must wrong, don't? Them number them must wrong is a shame, man. It is a shame and a disgrace to the YouTube family. Drizzy Burke. I mean, I put my mouth and talk, you know. May I come hard at you. Because he's a mess. So, Drizzy, another question I'm going to ask you. I been in charge of 6 bars. Not you. Yeah, and you in charge of 6 bars, you know. Because you're not in charge of nobody. You don't take care of nobody but yourself. So, in all, if me can check right, $8,500 you spend. I'm going to hear nothing more about the house. Me not say nothing more about the house. Gravy say, I been give you use fee more money and do it. And me believe Gravy. Me believe Gravy with everything what Gravy say. But only some things me kind of pick out. Because Bingy did a look out for Gravy. But we not get into that again. We go leave that alone. Drizzy time. So you spend $8,500. A monkey money that. Little kids, young kids at Jamaica carry them money go to school. Yeah, man. That name can buy a good week meal. Me people, my viewers and subscribers, $8,500 cannot even buy a good week meal at Jamaica. At Jamaica, bread at Jamaica, one bread costs like $1,000. A bully beef, corned beef, costs $1,500 at Jamaica. Brother, is a mess. You mean, you thief the youth them, you rob them. Yeah, man, you rob them. Remember, you know? Me have a next video a come. Me have a next video a come. And that video they hot. But my people, we have to talk about these kind of things. We don't like mix Colorsmith with other people. But to all Colorsmith fans out there, and all the people out there where I talk bad about Colorsmith, sit down. Sit down and really take a good look at what Colorsmith I do for each and everybody with there around him and who is not around him. Papi say him did a go round Colorsmith for a little while and Colorsmith pull him pan the team. Gravy a go round Drizzy Burke for 3 years. 3 years and he couldn't put her pan the team. Anyway, my people, me go leave you right there, so. This is longer than normal. Me go leave you right there, so. And me go see you again with another video cause me have another banger. This is one you don't want to miss. Yeah, man. The next video you don't want to miss. The next video. Peace and love. Remember, if you don't have anything good to say, don't say a word. Remember, my people, my viewers and subscribers, like the video, share the video, comment on the video, make we have this conversation. And remember, if you are watch and you see what you want to see, or if you want support me, subscribe to the video. Anyway, peace and love, my people.